Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into new Relic for no-code app monitoring. Easy tutorial step-by-step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.newrelic.com and press enter. Once the page loads, look for the sign in button located at the top right corner. Click on the sign in button to proceed. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link for assistance. After entering your credentials, click the Sign In button to access your account. If your login is successful, you will be directed to the new Relic dashboard. Once on the dashboard, you can explore various features for no-code app monitoring. To add a new application for monitoring, navigate to the Applications tab. Click on Add Application to start the setup process. Follow the prompts to configure your application settings. After setup, your application will be ready for monitoring. You can now monitor performance metrics, errors, and real-time data. Remember to periodically check the dashboard for updates and insights. That completes the login process for New Relic and the initial setup for no-code app monitoring. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.